you are a developer in 2026 and you want to break into AI but you have no idea where to start, this video will save you months of wasted time. I'm going to show you exactly what to learn, in what order, and what to completely skip. No fluff, no theory, just the roadmap. Let's go. My name is Vamshi. I am a senior full-stack engineer with 18 years of experience. Over the last year, I have built multiple AI systems in production, multi-agent pipelines, real-time trading bots, automated content engines, and I made every mistake possible along the way. This roadmap is what I wish someone had given me on day one. Here's what we are covering today: the exact 8-week path to go from developer to AI developer, the tools that actually matter, what to avoid that will waste your time, and a free GitHub repo. Link is in the description. Let's start. Let me give you one number. Senior developers earn between $120,000 and $180,000 a year. AI platform engineers earn between $250,000 and $400,000 a year. Same coding skills, different knowledge layer on top. Companies right now are not just looking for developers. They want developers who can build with AI. That means integrating LLMs into real products, building agentic pipelines, deploying AI systems that run in production. And here's the most important thing I want you to hear. You do not need to become a machine learning researcher. You do not need to understand backpropagation. You do not need a PhD. You just need to know how to build production AI systems using APIs that already exist. That is the entire secret. So let us talk about exactly how to do that. Before the roadmap, let me save you time by telling you what to skip. This section alone is worth watching this video. Skip number 1, training your own models. Unless you have millions of dollars in compute and massive proprietary datasets, you are not training models from scratch. GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, these models are better than anything you will build. Use them, do not reinvent them. Skip number 2, PyTorch and TensorFlow. These are deep learning frameworks for researchers. Unless you are doing research or fine-tuning, you do not need these right now. They will distract you for months with zero production output. Skip number 3, LangChain. I know this is controversial. LangChain is everywhere, but it adds massive complexity. It hides what is actually happening. It makes debugging a nightmare. Learn to call APIs directly first. Understand what is happening under the hood. Then use frameworks if you want, but fundamentals first. Skip number 4, chasing every new model release. A new model drops every 2 weeks in 2026. Do not stop and evaluate every single one. Pick one primary API. Go deep on it. You can swap models later. The patterns are identical. Now, here is what you actually need to learn. 8 weeks, 3 phases. Phase 1, weeks 1 and 2, API fundamentals. Your first goal is simple. Make an API call, get a response, build something small that works. Step 1, pick your API. I recommend Claude by Anthropic. Best documentation, cleanest API design. Strongest reasoning on complex tasks? Sign up at anthropic.com, get your API key, you are ready. Strongest reasoning on complex tasks? Sign up at anthropic.com, get your API key, you are ready. Step 2, make your first call. Use Node.js or Python, whichever you already know. The structure is always the same. You send a system prompt, this is your instruction layer. You send a user message, you get a response back. That is literally the foundation of every AI app you will ever build. Step 3, learn prompt engineering. Not the theoretical kind, the practical kind. 5 patterns, master these, and you are ahead of 80% of developers. Pattern 1, system prompts. Tell the model exactly who it is and how to behave. Think of it as the rule book for your AI. Pattern 2, few short examples. Show the model what good output looks like. 2 or 3 examples inside your prompt. It copies the pattern every single time. Pattern 3, chain of thought. For complex tasks, add think step by step to your prompt. Accuracy improves dramatically every time. Pattern 4, output formatting. Tell the model exactly what format to return. JSON, markdown, numbered list. Be specific. You will always get cleaner, more consistent output. Pattern 5, temperature control. 0 to 0.3 for factual structured tasks. 0.7 to 1.0 for creative tasks. Simple rule. Big difference in output quality. Week 1 and 2 project. Build a simple chatbot. Takes user input, returns AI output. Deploy it on Railway. Push the code to GitHub. That is your first proof of work. Phase 2, weeks 3 and 4, core patterns. You now understand the basics. Time to learn the patterns that appear in almost every production AI system. Pattern 1, RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. RAG solves the biggest limitation of LLMs. They do not know your data. Here is what happens with RAG. You store your documents in a vector database. When a user asks a question, you find the most relevant pieces from your database. You feed those pieces to the LLM along with the question. The LLM answers based on your data, not its training data. This is how you build AI that answers from your own documents. Tools for RAG start with Chroma as your vector database. It runs locally, it is free. Use OpenAI or Voyage AI for embeddings. Use Claude for generating the final answer. Week 3 and 4 project. Build a document Q&A app, feed it a PDF, ask it questions. It returns accurate answers with source references. This is one of the most in-demand AI skills right now. Pattern 2, tool use and function calling. This is where AI goes from smart chatbot to autonomous agent. Instead of just generating text, the LLM can now call functions that you define. Search the web, query a database, send an email, run a calculation. You define the tools. The LLM decides when and how to use them. This is the foundation of agentic AI. Week 3 and 4 bonus project. Add a web search tool to your chatbot. Watch the AI decide on its own when to search. That moment will permanently change how you think about software. Phase 3, weeks 5 through 8, production AI systems. You are now ready for the advanced tier. This is where most tutorials stop, but this is exactly where real jobs and real products live. Topic 1, multi-agent systems. A single LLM call is powerful. Multiple LLMs working together is exponentially more powerful. The most important pattern is called react, reasoning and acting. The agent thinks, takes an action, observes the result, thinks again, takes another action. It loops until the task is done. Your multi-agent setup has 3 parts. An orchestrator, the brain that decides what needs to happen, specialist agents, workers that each handle specific tasks, a tool layer, the functions those agents can call. Week 5 and 6 project. Build a 2-agent pipeline. Agent 1 researches a topic. Agent 2 writes a summary based on the research. They pass information between each other. You define the workflow. The agents execute it. Topic 2, cost optimization. This is not optional. In production, LLM costs can explode fast. 3 techniques. Implement all 3. Technique 1, model routing. Use Claude Haiku for simple tasks, classification, short responses, summarization. Use Claude Sonnet only for complex reasoning. This alone cuts your bill by 40%. Technique 2, prompt caching. If you are sending the same long system prompt with every call, and most production apps do, cache it. After the first call, cache tokens cost almost nothing. Technique 3, batching. Instead of 100 individual API calls one by one, group them and send as a batch. Significant discounts from every major provider. Combine all 3. You reduce your LLM costs by 60 to 70%. Topic 3, production deployment. Building locally is easy. Running reliably in production is different. 3 things every production AI system needs. Logging every LLM call. Input, output, cost, latency. If something breaks, you need to know exactly what happened. Error handling. LLMs fail. Rate limits hit. Timeouts happen. Retry logic. Fallback models. Clear error messages. Your code must handle this gracefully. Human in the loop. For high-stakes decisions, build a human approval step before execution. Telegram works great for this. Simple and fast to set up. Week 7 and 8 project. Take your best previous project, add full logging, error handling, and a human approval step. Deploy it on Railway. This is now a production-grade AI system. Put it on GitHub, that is your portfolio. Tools list, 6 tools, that is the entire stack. Primary LLM, Claude by Anthropic, anthropic.com. Secondary LLM, OpenAI, for comparison and fallback. Vector database, Chroma locally, Pinecone when you need cloud scale, deployment, Railway, simple, no DevOps headaches, runtime, Node.js with TypeScript or Python. Observability, a simple logging table, everything else is noise. 8-week schedule. Here's your complete schedule. 1 sentence per week. Week 1, make your first API call and master the 5 prompt patterns. Week 2, build and deploy your first AI chatbot. Week 3, build a RAG pipeline with a vector database. Week 4, add tool use and function calling. Week 5, build your first 2-agent system. Week 6, add a human approval step. Week 7, optimize costs. Week 8, deploy to production with full logging. 8 weeks, 1 project per week, 6 working AI systems in your portfolio. That is what gets you hired. That is what gets you clients. The full roadmap, project templates, and starter code are in the GitHub repo linked in the description. Go there now, star it, bookmark it. If this video helped you, subscribe. Every video on this channel comes with working code, a GitHub repo, and zero fluff. Next video, Claude API versus OpenAI. Which one should you actually use in 2026? Live code comparison, honest answer. I will see you there.